Okay, this is about Tag Your Cousin Challenge. Okay, I'll ask you questions, then you answer me. Okay, our first question is... Just like me. Okay, next. What's your favorite food?
Cake. Spam.
Huh?
Spam. Cake.
Cake. How about you, ate?
Maybe I like spam.
Spam. Okay. How about you, Xander? What's your favorite food? Chocolate. Coco Crunch. Oh. Okay, what's your favorite drink?
Juice.
Juice.
Orange juice.
How?
Or banana.
Banana.
Apple juice. I like banana.
How about you, Xander? What's your favorite drink?
Chocolate.
Eh.
Chocolate.
Okay, next. No. Oh, careful, careful, Xander. Okay, next. Oh, you brought your chocolate. Okay, next question.
Wait.
Next question. Who sleeps a lot? Kinsay tagdugay matulog.
Ako.
How many hours then?
How many
Hours.
hours? 10.
10 hours? How about you, Xander? How long do you sleep? Chocolate. Okay. Yes, chocolate. Okay, sit down. Okay, next. What's your most favorite subject?
Wala ako di ay. Wala ko bigod ng hours. Object?
Subject. Subject at school.
Plus. MTV.
Huh?
MTV.
What's MTV?
Ako. Mother tongue. ESP. Book.
Favorite subject. Is it science? Math? Sit down. Sit down.
Math. Mother tongue. Mother tongue. Ako. Mother tongue.
That's
I
not a
guess.
subject.
Test. It's a subject. You don't
Is
know?
it math, science, English?
Test. Right at mother
Test.
tongue. You don't know? Test.
Sit down properly. Oh, careful, careful with your chair. Xander, what's your favorite subject?
Toy.
English?
Anong
Science?
English. Mamikit. Ganang plus ra ba?
Okay, careful then, careful.
Plus ra.
Okay, next. Who is your most favorite relative?
What's your relative?
Pariente.
Pariente. Zombie stew. Zombie stew.
Relative, mama, papa, lolo, lola, auntie.
Katutanan. Jimingaw na ko. Katutanan.
Okay. What's your most favorite movie?
Zombie stew.
How about you, Xander?
Zombie stew.
Okay, next. What's your most favorite song?
Fight song. Fight song. I like this song. This is my fight.
How about you, Xander? Your favorite song? Move backward and move backward. Okay. What's your favorite color?
I like pink. I like blue.
How about you, Xander?
I like red.
Your favorite color? Huh? Ay, bulete. What's colors in the rainbow? Red?
Red.
Next?
Blue.
Blue?
Green.
Green?
Yay.
Yeah.
20.
Huh?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Gray.
What else?
Gray.
Red?
Brown. Green. Red. Blue. Green.
Okay. Next. What's your favorite shape?
Shape?
Shape.
I like rectangle.
Rectangle. Ikaw? Heart. Ikaw? What's your favorite shape? Uy. Yaya ka? Okay, sit down, Sander. Sit properly. Okay na. Okay, next question. Okay. 3 plus 5? Cheers! Oh, juice! Wow! Sit down. Ayo, dan diri ka din. Okay, next. Who is your favorite teacher?
Miss Malati.
Ikaw, ate?
Mamaya.
Xander.
Si...
Xander, who's your favorite teacher, Xander? Your favorite teacher is? Xander. Your favorite teacher? Xander, who's your favorite teacher? Xander. Who is your favorite teacher, baby? Okay, next. Who is the most hard-headed?
What's hard-headed?
Gahig ulo.
Alexander!
Who is the most stubborn? Pasaway.
Pasaway. Ganipod. Bigyan ka ni kabunalan galing papa.
Okay.
Bye, please.
Who is the most kanang limpyo?
Ako, clean?
Most clean. Neat and clean. Bilasa.
Ikaw magaling sige ka pugulod.
Dili galigo.
Ano, really one. Ikaw po. Yes!
Dili ka toothbrush.
Ikaw po. Diya.
Dili ka study.
Ka. Ay, siya. Manudlo. Ano pa na si Mana? Sorry, mama.
Kotohon.
Nalawa. Ay, nadoon.
Di. Putahan. Masakiton.
Siya, permiti mo na bunalon.
Sige ka bunalan.
Nara. Ikaw ya.
Kusog mo kaon.
May.
Gang ko gari mo te?
Gusto ko siya mo.
Kisa hilakon. Nara hilakon. Sandra hilakon daw ka.
I really wanna just ako ate, so di ako nila. Ako, di mo.
Kisa palaway. Nara, palaway. Cover your... Kinsa ang... Manggihatagon. Manggihatagon ba giver? What? Kinsa giver? No, tomorrow na. Tomorrow na. Oh, you ask Papa.
Wala na. Wala na. Didi na lang.
Okay. What's your most favorite viand or sudan?
Spam. Balik ko, Noy.
Food man to ganyan, no? Your favorite snack?
Coco Crunch. Coco Crunch. Maybe I like Piatos.
Snack? That's not a healthy snack.
I'm the winner. Prize.
What's your most favorite Disney movie?
Zombies too.
Aladdin.
What's your favorite movie, Xander?
Babysitting.
Huh?
Babysitting.
What?
Zombies too.
Zombie. That's not a movie. That's a series.
That's a movie from Disney Channel.
That's a series, not a movie. Movie is Aladdin, Cinderella, Beauty and the Beast.
Curtis in the Turtle.
Okay. What's your most favorite place that you went to?
San Mateo ko.
Who is our national hero?
Batman. Cardo. Cardo Dalisa.
Pagtarong ragad mo.
National hero dire.
Ah.
Di ba sikat naman? Kon!
Hoy! Hoy, pagtarong mo. It's Jose Rizal. Doc Jose Rizal.
What?
Okay, next. Who is our president?
Duterte.
Yay!
Ako. Wow.
Next.
Dali pa ganyan, tagisan din.
Next, Denver, nakitang president dire. Ako! Denver, magi.
Okay. Next question. Agoy. Kora ko na di. Okay, next question. Xander, listen. Who is the oldest and the youngest among all of you?
Among? I'm the oldest since he is
How old are you, ate?
9.
How about you, Denver? Xander, how old are you, Xander? Xander, how old are you? See, write your story.
Jeans, see, right, live your story. Every day keeps unfolding, unfolding, making your
Dad, balik ko, balik.
Laban.